Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Praveen Khandelwal, representing Airports Authority of India. As you are aware that we are managing around 124 airports all across India. And this includes international airports, domestic airports, as well as civil enclaves at defense airports. We are also providing air traffic services to the entire Indian airspace and oceanic airspace, which is taking care of 1,000 flights. And we are handling number of passengers. And our responsibility is to ensure that they are having safety and complete security of the passengers as well as flights which are happening in the Indian airspace. Now, we do have adequate security systems at airports, but they are in silos. They are taking care of the various security and safety aspects. But now with the lot of threat perceptions and the new technologies, we have to see that how those things have to be integrated. Because we have to see that how fast we can respond to a adverse situation. And keeping that in view, we are in the process of going for a totally new concept at the airport, that is Airport Operation Control Center. And we are going to have an integrated framework for the safety and security, wherein we are integrating all our basic security systems and in a collaborative and integrated manner, how those decisions can be taken, and timely decision can help to take care of adverse situation in a much faster, responsive way. I am starting with that framework. You know that IP is a backbone for every system now these days. All the systems are coming on IP. So we are proposing as a IP network at 10 airports as a common IT network where all stakeholders will be integrated. All our applications and systems also be integrated. You can see all our infrastructure, messaging platform, policy management, radio interoperable. Right now we are not going directly. We are only going for Wi-Fi or VoIP based systems. Third-party applications, access control system, digital media display, unified communication, video surveillance, command and control. I have not included building management system, fire alarm and PA system, though they are also integrated on the same framework. Because whenever any fire situation is there, so we have to get some inputs and then accordingly we have to decide the signage, PA system, all those things are to be taken care. Now if you see, this is an integrated safety solution data flow where we have got all the components, all the application integration issues are there. The first comes is sensors, how we are capturing different type of events, incidents. So you can see IP cameras are there, encoding is there, analog video is there, even radars we are integrating for surface movement. Then special sensors are there. Then it has to be integrated and policy management has to be there. If events are there, how they have to be correlated, how they have to be managed. And then comes analytics, how we have to analyze different video, different inputs coming from and then correlation. And then we have to give those decisions to the command center that how they have to activate those controls. And then those inputs go either to the on-scene responders or go to the external responders. And we have got different network, how some things have to be on wired, something can be wireless. So all those things are there. And if you see, this is a complete net-centric flow. You can say the security network is there. We are having events from the cameras, even from the metallurgical department is also there. And then those inputs are going to the sensor aggregation analysis. And then based upon the feedback is given to the systems, so that we can control some of the cameras, and then from there it is going to the command center. So it is, in a nutshell, we are showing in a different view that how information will come from one system, it has to be analyzed, correlated, decisions are made, and then it is given to the further necessary action. And you know, we have got now very good quality IP cameras are there, which can take care of high definition IP based systems are there, day operations, night operations, and embedded security solutions are there. They can be on wire, they can be on wireless, all those combinations are there. And we have got complete surveillance manager, which is taking care of video analytics part. All those things are there, which I need not to repeat. Now if you see, I'm just giving you one example how the entire system can work. If there is any intrusion or something is happening, which is sensed by one of the camera, immediately that input can be sent. You can see, this is going to the video surveillance. It takes care that what has happened, and based upon that immediately it passes on this information to the second system where we can go, and then it's come to the integrated collaboration server where it sees what is the issue, and based upon that what it searches, it generates a text message, so that text message can be given on SMS or other mobile devices, and this text message is also sent to the video, the audio converter, so that audio can be generated. And once a text and audio both are there, it can go to the collaboration server once again, and from there it can go to the radio, it can to the mobile, and all those things can be taken care. So this is how entire thing can work once any incident is there. Now you see, IP surveillance is the main center of this because it is the main source which captures different type of events. So we have got different policies and video analytics based upon those entire system can work. How a system has to take that event and how it has to perform. You can see once a person enters into a restricted area of some area, immediately that video goes to the video analytics part, and then it sees if he is going to access control system, he correlates. And then once these two events are correlated, it sees that yes, a person is genuine person is there or not there. Immediately it sends information to the other camera where he can see how this event, whether an authorized person is there or not authorized person is there. Immediately from there he can send information to the person like police or some person who has to take necessary action. And this is how we are completing, because it is not that we have to say we are capturing the events, but we have to overlay what is the previous scan was there and with the new scan, and what is the differential between these two are there. So this slide shows how we are turning video into data. You can see it takes care of background scenes, what are the lights are on or off, camera is still or moving, time of the day, then foreground objects, all those things takes care, and then video metadata is captured. And then it takes care of the rule logic, whether a person is entering, exit, or appearing, disappearing, take away something, all those things are taken care. And based upon that, it shows me I can handle different types of situation if one of the counter is congested, if a baggage has been left unattended, all those actions can be taken care. And this is, I'm just showing you what are the capabilities which you are looking on with the video analytics part, which takes care of each and everything of the different type of incidents. So with that, I'm coming to the end of my presentation. This is the last slide where I've shown the integration part of everything, that how all those events are interrelated and put into an integrated environment.